Good. Good. What happened? This? Huh? Tomorrow exams are going on, na? Tomorrow match is there. Then match is over. When is match? Monday. After 23rd, you have how many chapters? 3 chapters. People are missing. Coming only. Come, why late? Sign the attendance sheet and go. Homeworks are there.
Yes.
What is the homework?
Remaining
Previous year about questions. Okay, done the previous year about questions, all of you, everyone. Okay, all of you done? Should I check the ones done or not? Those who are done, please sit down. All are here only. Those who are come in. Yes.
Can you hear me?
Who is that? Neil. Yes.
I just came, so that's why.
Just now only came. Okay. Homeworks are done.
Yes.
Anshul, homework is done.
Yes.
Yes. Previous year about only previous year about questions. Oh, Diya. What is going on? She's so happy today. Today's birthday. When is your birthday? Actually, November. Long way to go. This month there is no birthday. Nobody got birthday this month. No, but actually, your birthday. When is your birthday? 21st. Today, day after. Oh, Friday is your birthday. Okay. Okay. Oh, he is now itself he started his. Yes. What is it? PI? What is it? PISN. Huh? Podar International School, Nerul. Oh. Okay. Yeah. All of you signed. So what happened? Why you late? One. You are coming by one. Okay. Chalo, homework done. Homework done. All of you done the homework?
Yes, sir.
Where is this girl? Purna? She will, somewhere. She had everything in reply is somewhere. You find out that somewhere, okay? You're in the same school, no? No. Who's at the same school? Purna and who's are in this? You both are in the same school. Chalo, okay now. Any doubts or difficulties you have? Homework that how many? What was the homework? Remaining questions. No doubt. Are other Nerul they were telling this doubt, that doubt, that doubt. You people are telling no doubt. Smart people. Purna is not there. Atharva not yet come. Purna and Atharva. So no doubts are there. I'm going to ask people. Okay. Yes. Who's the doubt is there? Who got the doubt? 21st is not there. Who said that? Are you sure 21st is not there? I hope not there. Okay. 13th, all of you are done? Who said 13th is not there? I only said what? Who said 13th is not there? I said 1, 3. Now he is telling there. You did? You did? Which one? 13th is out. 12th is there? No. 12th is there? Not there. Okay. So 30, you check the questions which are not there, which is there. There's still confusion is there. Okay. So you are getting as which one? First one is the 13th. Let's read the question. Read. X square plus mx plus n. Okay. Then were you late? Road. Which road is blocked?
In front of Ryan, my left is also there.
Lift also. Take that and let's explain. Explain.
Yes.
Where? Do you remember now? 13 is not done. This is not there. And what is this here? What is standard? Last class also I said, no, write the steps and do it. What is this? Minus k plus 4 is equal to 4, 2 into 4k minus 2. What is it? Half the steps are here, not writing anything. Huh?
Sir,
This is?
substituted.
Where is substituted?
Alpha.
Alpha plus. Why? Hello? This way you will not get any mark. It is not for the namesake, do something and come. I need all the things to be done again. I said, how many times I said you have to write the step? Here, what is this? What is this? Where are those steps and all? Nowhere you write the steps. I'll make you to redo the things, everything. Look now, you yourself doesn't know what is written. If you yourself doesn't know, then how a person who check from your book will understand, or if in exam. You know why you're appearing this all writing, you have to exam get the mark, no? Will you get the mark this way? I'm not finding anything over here this way it is going on. For namesake, please don't do this way. I need these all questions once again, do it. Proper steps. Okay. Last time also I still remember the same thing I was telling you. It's the proper steps. Still problem here. Now, 13th. So x plus a is a factor. What is the meaning of x plus a is a factor? That is x is equal to minus a is a 0. So both 0 the polynomial. So when x equal to minus a, you have to write x equal. What is the reason of coming late? Huh? What? Huh? Started packing. So you are going somewhere picnic or packing early. So and then what happened? From here, how long it will be taking to your home? How long it will take to travel? How you come? 10 minutes by walking. Then, auto. Then what happened? Now again 10. What is the problem? What is the reason? Tell me. Otherwise I had to call your mummy and tell this is a problem is happening. It won't. All of you are now. It won't happen again. Be here time, my dear. This is the one. And after that, then you'll start. Sir, I did not get this one. Come in. Look, when x is equal to minus a replace, therefore this expression becomes 0. Here also x equal to minus a replace minus a whole square plus m times minus a plus n is equal to 0. That is a square minus am plus n is equal to 0. This is the second condition. Solve both. Solve means you can reduce. So you can reduce means, the conditions are you don't need a square in the question. So both the equation a square minus ap plus q equal to 0 and a square minus aq. aq nahi, am plus n is equal to 0. Now, lot of ways you can do, just subtract. Subtracting means please change the signs. See, this is cancelled. What is left out? Minus ap plus am plus q minus n is equal to 0. Okay. I need what you have to find the value of a now. So from here you take a as common. What is a is common? Minus p plus n. You shift these to the other side. Minus so n minus q. Or this is same as a is equal to n minus q upon minus p plus m is what? M minus. That is only you have to prove now. Yes or no? Why it is not there in the cell? You take any method, do it and do it. Equate and do it. Let's finish this one now. Relax now. This is followed. We are coming. Whichever not you have doubts, tell me. Then I will tell you. Okay. Okay. Why? 14 till 15. Any problem? Yes. 14. What is the 14 problem? Read the question. This is I raise. Wait. Okay. Read. K plus 6. Mm-hmm. Sum of the zero is half of this product. What do you mean by sum of the zero? Alpha plus beta. What is product of the zero? So what is the relation is given? Alpha plus beta is equal to half alpha beta. This is the condition one is given. Understood or not? Now, forget you know the formula for alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? So we need ABC. Tell Dia what are the values of ABC? B minus K plus 6. Yes or no? And C 2 times 2K minus 1. No? Coefficient constant. Then find out what is alpha plus beta. Minus what? So we are not taking B, ABC we wrote, no? Yes or no? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus K by A. That you replace minus K plus 6. Yes or no, Sarvesh? So this is K plus 6. So which is equal to K plus 6 minus and minus is gone. Then if you want, you can write as condition 2. And alpha beta is equal to how much? C upon A. What is it? C upon A? 2 times 2K minus 1 upon 1. So it's upon 1. Okay. Put the value and substitute in 1. So what did we get? Alpha plus beta is K plus 6. Half into alpha beta is 2 into 2K minus 1. This 2 and 2 can be cancelled. Here can use 2 the remaining? Yeah. Okay. So collect this one. If you have 6 plus 1 is equal to 2K minus 7. K is equal to 7. Understood? Ritvik, no? See the steps, at least minimum steps you have to write. This is given. Did you check here? This is the solution. What I was asking. Check what is written and what is written. That way written, no, you will get the answer. What is the value of K you got? So you know what? I'll tell you. This is for 3-mark question. If you have written that one means you will not get any mark because the answer also is wrong. If answer was correct, out of 3, some teachers will give only 1 mark because steps are not there. That is why don't do that way. You have to, if your answer was wrong, still these all things were there means at least you won 1.5 mark, at least you get. So be careful. Okay. So you have to write the steps. Yes. Homework is done. This girl I'll take and throw her out from here. Why? Reason. For who is a friend? Nobody is a friend. You stand up. You know anyone from this class? Like I know, you know only me. Are check no, look there behind boys. Huh? Who? Who is that? I will make your mummy's number to give to them and I'll tell them to call your mummy and tell that you are not doing the homework. Should I make you to do? Then, why you are coming to UT? Time pass. Let's say mummy said, okay, go. If mark is not there, then what I'll tell? I will tell these are the things. Without, there is a shortcut is there without doing and all, get the mark. Tell we will all tell why we have to struggle this way. If there is a shortcut without studying, without doing the work and all homework, tell me. I'll also share to them. I don't know, you teachers. Why homework, why you need to do? So that practice is not there. That too in the subject maths. It is not theory. 2 sentences studied or 1 paragraph studied. It is not that one. You have to write and practice. See, even they are done. There are people are not getting the answer. So do it seriously. Otherwise, at last, you will be blank. Then you will also tell, sir, I was blank when the exam was going on. Why? The reason is I did not practice well. Understood? You signed? Oh, okay, next question. What? Till 15, no problem? Till 15, still 20, any problem? Whichever, look here, whichever question you have a doubt, is it there in the syllabus? You ask me, I will tell you, okay. What is your problem? 18 question. Read the question. Achha, you have to find out the zero. I will tell you this type of questions. It is not there, but division, you cannot tell it is not there completely. Division you have studied any time? So if division is there, means you studied, means you cannot completely tell it is not there. If it is coming in the exam, they can tell you studied division, so you should. I will tell the way. It is not that, okay? Only division is there, means previous thing. Okay, chalo. Next, at last I will tell. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. What is the 21? What is the only one? Why not? Find the zero. We are done. This is the first exercise question. No? Obtain a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are. Only who has doubt? You only. Who else have doubt? You also. There is only one word only is a new thing. Reciprocal. You don't know what is reciprocal? So, what are the zeros of this polynomial? Alpha and beta. If alpha and beta are the zeros, then alpha plus beta is equal to how much? Minus b by a. And alpha beta is equal to how much? C upon. Therefore, zeros, new zeros. New zeros are, what will be reciprocal? Reciprocal of alpha is what? 1 upon alpha and 1 upon beta. Then what you have to find out? Sum of new zeros. Okay, which is equal to 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. You can take the LCM alpha beta, beta plus alpha. You know the value. What is the value of beta plus alpha? What is the value of beta plus minus b by a upon c by a. Minus a by minus ab upon ac. In fact, I can cancel a also. I'm not cancelling. If required, we will keep. No, otherwise you have to multiply again. No. Let's see product also. Or leave just this much you keep it. Okay, then at last we write product of new zeros is equal to how much? 1 by alpha multiplied by 1 by beta. 1 upon alpha beta. What is 1 upon C upon A? What is C upon A? A upon C. We need denominator C only, so cut it. Therefore, Y means otherwise again you have to multiply. Oh, minus B A upon C. This you got. Yes or no? So both the denominators are same. So this is equal to what? Minus B upon A. This is C upon A because A, B, C is. So what is the value of A? A, small c na, minus B, minus B. Therefore, capital B is equal to B. And C is same as A. Therefore, what is the polynomial? AX square. AX square means what? CX square plus BX. Done. Understood? If you want to multiply one K, K also multiply where K is. Understood all of you? Reciprocals. You are out. You are out in real numbers. You have a doubt. I had doubt in real. You did say you have not done any homework, then how can be real number doubt? Any other doubt? Okay. This one all of you followed. I tell what is the doubt in the real number? This one. I tell na, this one means how do you know? Read.
That divides 253 and 957 and leaves the remainder of 5 and
Find the largest number which divides. 253 or read the digits. 2500. 2050 and 2053 and 967. Remainders is 5 and 7. So what is the largest number which divide this one and leave the remainder? Yes, Priyanshi, how to do it? Priyanshi. LCM you find out. Yeah, LCM find out. The remainder is fine. She's turn in the examination. When the Sunday exam is there, na notebook also along with you there. Open book out. Very bad. Yes. When you sum number, let's say when x is divided by this one, remainder is 5. That means 2053 minus 5 and 967 minus 7 will be exactly divisible. So what is the largest number exactly divisible by 2, 0, 4, 8 and 960? What is it? What is the largest number which is exactly divisible? HCF. So find the HCF of these two. First you subtract and find the HCF. That is the number exactly divisible by this one. That is the number when divided by this one, leaves the remainder this. You don't tell least and largest, you cannot conclude anything. You read the question and accordingly you can do it. What happened there? Array, tell now, what is your problem? Why you are looking here and Aditya? Who is Aditya? Yeah, what is your name? Atharva. What discussion is going on? Hari, let him ask the. Tell. This values you got. This value you got. Yeah, last. Sum of the zeros is what? What is the formula? Minus b by a. Product of the zeros. C by a. Denominator is C. C. So a is equal to C. Equating. Comparing. Minus b equal to minus b. So b equal to b. C is equal to where is C? C equal to. Understood? Don't look here and there and you raise your hand and tell, nah, we will help you out now. Okay. Now your problem solved. Any other doubt you have? Okay. Chalo, over polynomials, any problem? Practice. Sunday test is there, 2 chapters. All of you know about that one? Sunday there is a test and which how many chapters you have? Only 2 chapters. She's telling only 2 chapters. Namita, sir, easy na? Polynomials and all. Don't tell next day, sir, we didn't know that one. What is timing and all? They will tell you, no? How do you come to know? In the website, it is. Timing, if where do you, how will you come to know that test paper is there? I say, don't take my name. It is there in the website, no? You don't know? There is a problem to log in. You check in the office, no? Okay. Today itself we check in the office. They will give you what is the ID and password. They will help you out what is to be done. Problem solved. Hey, online people. Hello, heroes.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubts or difficulties?
No, sir.
What? Yes. What doubt you have?
I don't have any doubt.
No doubt. What is it? Anshul, you have any doubt or difficulty? Loudly, I can't hear.
No.
Abdul?
No, sir.
No problem?
No, sir.
You people have to ask your doubt difficultly, okay? Yeah. Chalo. All done now. Now, look. Still problem. He's looking. Actually, you're looking at them. I thought where you're looking. If your doubts are there. Now, look here. The chapter is done. Even though the second exercise is not there, division of polynomials, you studied or not? If you study division of polynomials, if question, generally question may not come. If the question comes in the exam, you cannot tell, sir, this is not in the syllabus, that exercise is. Whatever studied previous knowledge-based questions can come. Okay, so here I will, which question you asked? You asked, no? Somebody asked, no? They like, find the remaining zeros and all. Okay, find that, what you have to do means that division part we have to do. That once I will explain little later, first after practicing. Only the thing is remove that factor and the remaining factor factorize. Okay, so that all things, there are a lot of questions were there previously that all been removed, but once again we will discuss. Like, question number 5 of this exercise, previous year. Given x minus root 5 is a factor of the polynomial, find all the zeros. So you can divide and factorize, and the remaining part you can do. Later we will discuss. Check, let the school does. Division is done in the school? Not done. Okay, pair of linear equation we started doing. Chapter 1 and 2, any problem or difficulties here? All of you brought the graph and all, no? Okay, now I have to search for the graph book. So, how many of you not brought? Please, those who brought the books and all, please stand up. Brought the graph. Okay, this many people brought. Then, and now you people sit down and the others stand up. You always sitting, you brought the graph. That he borrowed, no? That is called begging. Stand up there. What is the problem? Money problem. I'll pay. Shall I get it for you people? No, I will get for you. Any financial problem is there for buying the graph paper? Tell me. What is the graph paper cost? This book is costing. And you look at home, you don't need to buy anything. Old one, 9th standard, 8th standard is there. 45 rupees. Oh, okay, 46 rupees. Okay. Some of the bookstores will concession also. Even you just look in your book. Hello, look at home. Your old books are there. That only you have to bring it. No need to get a new one. Okay. Graph, we will see that graph also. This is basically for ICSE people. This is a 2 centimeter, 2 graph book. Not 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter graph or 1 inch. Okay. Now, so please, next class at least you can bring it. Now, where you know what is the problem? When we draw the graph, you have to draw on the graph paper. Is it so heavy to carry out? You have only 2 subjects only now, 1 maths and 1 science book only. Oh, you have brought. Okay, Purna, you brought it. Okay. You are showing this again. Keep it on the na. Any problems are there to carry? No problem. Atharva. Any problem? No. Okay. So next class onwards, please bring it. I will send a message to your parents. Please remind them to bring it. If you need, that is required. Required or what? Are they required? Not required. Please sit down. Now, listen. We had last class. What did you do? Open the notebook. What is the last statement you wrote in your notebook? Yeah. Linear equation has infinite solution you written. Expressing y in terms of x, x in terms of y. Did we do? All of you know it? Okay. Solutions did you find out? I think that time over. Okay. Write this question. Oh. Right. Open your notebook. Okay. Find 3 solutions. Find 3 solutions. I given the same question. Okay, I will change the question. This was the question. This you are done already. Then what I have to do? Okay, listen. It's already done now. Okay, see, find 3 solutions. You got it now. Listen carefully now. I don't need to waste my time now. So if I finding like x is equal to what, like n minus 3y upon 2. Okay, if x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? Sorry, y is equal. Right side variable. Y is equal to 1. Then what you have to do? X is equal to, replace 7 minus 3 divided by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. Y is equal to, what is the next number you have to take? Add the denominator, add or subtract. 1 plus 2 is 3. Therefore, x is equal to 7 plus 9 minus 2 upon 2 minus 1. If you want to take y is equal to 5, x is equal to 7. 15 upon 2. How much? Minus 8 by 2 is minus 4. Then we will make table. And this table is coming as what? X is 2, y is 1. Second, minus 1, 3. Minus 4, 5. Okay. So these are the coordinates you got now. Okay. This is the only solutions. These are the only solution. Why these are not the only solution? Linear equation in two variable has infinite solution. Whatever I got, it's not necessary that you all get the same thing. It can be. Actually, you're checking the climate. Outside it's very hot, 41 degree. Huh. No light also very good. So light and fan is there now. So be happy. Okay. Now, so this is the one. So we will plot these points in the graph paper. When you plot it, read no. We will plot these points in the graph paper. Then you will get how many? 3 points you will get. What you have to do? Join them. Join them. It will. Something joining over there. Hey, listen to me. Join them. You will get a straight line. That will be representing this equation. If that, whatever the solution get, I got this one, you got everything, same line you'll get. For drawing that one, quickly, you know how to draw the x-axis, y-axis? Cartesian plane, you know how to do? Okay. We were going that one. What is it? Have you heard about line? Have you heard about line? Have you heard about straight line? What is the difference between line and straight line? Line? Line does not have an endpoint. That's all. Straight line? Straight line has an endpoint. You don't know what is the difference. Line can be this one, straight line can be this one. Yes. Now you have anything to tell? No. Otherwise, the one person always gives something. What do you mean? Line has a definite direction, but the straight line does not have a direction. Line does not have directions. So both of you are in the curve and the straight line. He got a direction. Namita, she has a nice idea. No idea at all. Okay. Yeah, give the answer. I don't know. Sure, why you don't? Okay. Look here. Listen. In the school, line and all, when did he start studying? First standard. Who started first standard line? ICC first standard line. There is no ICC first standard. First standard he started counting and all, no. First standard, okay, draw line. Okay, she knows. Namita, so then tell na. But so we'll send you back to first standard now. Okay. Chalo, look here. You have studied draw line AB. Somewhere you can draw straight line AB. Will you draw line AB this way? AB. Draw straight line AB. Will you draw? No. Remember, first thing is line and straight line are same thing. There's no difference. Understood or not? Both of them are same thing. You draw line AB, draw straight line AB, both are same thing. Okay. Will you draw this way line AB? Will you draw this way straight line AB? No. You said this one. What is this? You said this girl said. No. This is called line segment. Okay. Understood the difference? Okay. So that is the first thing. Okay. You know how to draw the x-axis and y-axis? Diya, how to draw the x-axis and y-axis? Positive or negative? What is positive? What is negative? I can draw. How to draw x-axis and y-axis? She was showing only this one. Now. Achha. You study martial arts and only study? A horizontal line is called the x-axis. What is horizontal line? Sleeping line. Okay. Vertical line is called the y-axis. Okay, standing line. Okay, that means okay, first standard we studied now, sleeping line and standing line. She's writing all these things. What are you writing in your hand? Standing, sleeping line. Playing out. Purna, Okay. 4 points. What is it? 4 points. So first is we will name this one. How do you draw a name? X O X dash Y O Y dash. Is it? So can you walk with the hand? Let's stand. Try now. It should be the standard one. Okay. Do you know what you mean by positive or negative? Is it okay? -1, -2 here. Understood or not? OX is what? Positive. OX dash is what? Negative. OY is positive and OY dash is negative. You cannot see that one. It is not okay. I am telling you now, X this you cannot put this way. OX dash is negative. Okay, this way. X and X dash don't change its position. Origin not the next later you tell sir, can you change this or also make something else? Okay, O is the origin. So vertical and horizontal lines. And this plane is called which plane? Cartesian plane, coordinate plane, XY plane, all these things are same thing only. X-axis and Y-axis divide the plane into 4 quadrants. What are the name of the 4 quadrants? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. All of you know. Okay, which is the first quadrant? Where? Come and show. Run, come and show. Where is the first quadrant? Come here and touch and show. This is the first quadrant. All of you agreed? Okay, which is the second quadrant? Renuka. One. First opposite here also is there, no? This is second quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. First, second, third, fourth quadrant. Okay, all of you know. Okay. Every point is in the form of ordered pair. First value is called X, second value is called Y. Suppose if I write as A comma B, means X value is equal to A, Y value is equal to B. Okay, ordered pair. So like this one, 2 comma 1, always. Okay, now. So then next is sign of all of you know now. In the first quadrant. What is both X and Y are plus plus. Second quadrant. X is negative, Y is positive. Okay, third quadrant. Minus, minus. Both. He's writing all these things. Relax now. Okay, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. That is why now. Huh? Plus, minus. X is plus and Y is minus. Okay, so you can identify now. Okay, if I give a point 3 comma minus 2. Purna in which quadrant? Sir will tell you. Wait a minute. Here X is positive or negative? Y is positive or negative? Y is positive or negative? Negative. So, in the fourth quadrant. Agreed or not? Okay. You know who will tell? Okay, who will tell? Yes. X quadrant. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Minus 3 comma 0. In which quadrant? No quadrant. X, no quadrant. Okay, it is not in the second quadrant. Axis, X-axis and Y-axis does not belong to any quadrant. Okay. Now, remember that one. Now the property, what is the speciality of X-axis? Anything special in the X-axis? Just now we said. That name is there. Okay. Any other speciality? Value of Y will be where does this point? It's on X-axis. What is the speciality over here? Value of Y will be 0. Along the X-axis, value of Y is equal to 0. Along the Y-axis, value of X equal to 0. Yes or no? Suppose if I write as 0 comma 2, where will be 0 comma minus 1, where it will be 2 comma 0, where it will be X-axis. Okay. So abscissa. What about the word? Open the notebook. Open the notebook. Write down these two things. Write. Okay. Along the x-axis. Along the x-axis. Value of y equal to 0. Along the x-axis, value of y is equal to 0. Written. Along the y-axis, value of x is equal to 0. Along the y-axis, value of x is equal to 0. Written, Namita. Okay. Now, x coordinate. The third one, right? X coordinate is also known as you know what is written over there? Abscissa. ABSCISSA. Right. X coordinate is also known as abscissa. Y coordinate is also known as ordinate. Known as ordinate. This is the basic thing you remember, okay? This one, whenever the graph is done, means in the graph you have to remember. Even in coordinate geometry, same thing will come. Then you people share, tell. Okay? Remember, can you change x and x dash? Can you change x and x dash? No. You studied last year graph. Statistics also drawn the graph. Here in linear equations also drawn the graph. While drawing the how did you draw statistics graph? You remember? Bar graph, histogram. Do you know how did you draw? It will be only in one quadrant was there. Is it or not? You're taking star bar graph. Okay, there is only one quadrant only was there. Is it or not? You will be drawn. In coordinate geometry, linear equation, when you draw the graph should be shown all the four quadrants. All the four quadrants does not mean that everything should be equally kept. No need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 20 are there. So 1, 2, 3, 10. This way. No need. Just keep one. There are thick lines are there now. Along that line you take and proper scale. Now, if it is, then see the values. Accordingly, you will plot. Accordingly, you plot means, sometimes you need bigger first quadrant. If you need, so for example, you need a bigger first quadrant. Your graph can be this way. Don't stop this one. Here also should be there. Here also should be there. If first quadrant is bigger. Can you draw this way or not? Yes. Okay. It's not that everything should be equal and all. Then for at whatever required points mark. No need till from left to right everything to be marked. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need only this much. Or 5 I need. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 only I need. That means here if I need only -1, -2, that's enough. -1, -2. It's not that everywhere required. Don't do additional. But this is compulsory. 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 Understood or not? Next, do you know what I mean by scale? What do you mean by scale? Value 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. No. What is scale? 1 centimeter is 1 centimeter only, no? It is not 1 centimeter. 1 unit is equal to how much centimeter? Do you know what you mean by 1 unit? Distance between 0 and 1. You can take 1 centimeter, then we say scale is equal to 1 centimeter. If 1 unit is equal to half centimeter, 1 unit is equal to half centimeter means scale is half centimeter. Or if we need 1 unit is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Next, important thing. Scale on x-axis and scale on y-axis are, listen, scale on x-axis and scale on y-axis are same. We are doing the coordinate geometry or linear equation. In statistics, we take different scales. Depends upon, okay. But here, scale on both the axes will be same. In case if the question, if it is mentioned, take on x-axis this scale, take on y-axis this scale, then use that one. Otherwise, scale will be. Did you hear? Do you know what I mean by scale? Then what is searching over there? Huh? For what? It will be, this all will be written over there. Do you know what I mean by scale? The measurement between 0 and 1. How much you can take? 1 centimeter, 2. Listen in the class. I will tell you now, open the book. Not in a hurry, okay? Sure. Otherwise, I'll make you to do on the board. You want to do? Relax and sit. Listen. You in between, you this taking, it's not. Okay? So this is the one. This much all of you followed. Now, the graph. Suppose, for example, draw the graph of this one. The process. Suppose just now I taken a 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. For example, this is the question is draw the graph of. How do you do? First is you have to find out how many solutions. Minimum 3 solutions, mean 3 or more than 3 solutions. So only 3 only required. Okay. If they ask make more solution, you do. But always you have to get a 3 solution. So when you take you can take the solutions. For example, over here, what did you get? The solution you did right or anyone not? Or should I calculate? 2, 5. 5 minus 1. 14.
Minus 12 and
Finally, I have to find out all. These are the 3 points, Paka. 5 minus 1 is not all of you. I will find out. See? 7 minus 3y upon 2. When y is equal to 1. So what will get 7 minus 3? Okay. Then y is equal to minus 1. This also is correct. Then y is equal to 3. So how much you will get over here? 10. All 3 are correct. Okay. You must have got different. What he said 14 also is correct. But don't go for 14 and all. You know why? Huh? Because the graph paper, it may not be, that place may not be there to mark. Okay, that is why you have to be try to keep within the limits and all. Okay, now what will you do? We will next, after finding the table is compulsory. Okay, now what you go do? First one, 2, 1. Yes, one of you come and plot. Fast, be ready. I'm next is you. I'm going to call you. 2, 1. Roughly you mark. Very good. So we will mark. If you want to put a small circle, you put small circle. Or a cross, dot. Okay, anything you do. Okay, you want to put a small cross, you can put small dot. You can do whichever convenient. You study that way. You do. Are listen na. Come here. Come fast. Mark the second one. Fast. Time over. Very good. Oh, good. Third one. Yes, Renuka. Good. Minus 1, 3. Okay, these are the 3 points. Now what you have to do? Keep the scale. Okay, when you keep the scale, it should pass through all the 3 points. If it is not passing through all the points, there is a mistake. Okay, and there is no guarantee that, okay, you may passing through all points, that is correct also. Maybe I change the sign and all, then also. No. This is not extend. Keep the scale and both the side extend. Don't do so confusing. Okay, I will make that only. So then mark the point. What is the point? 2, 1. This is what? 5, minus 1. Then minus 1, 3. What is the name of this line? 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Hope all of you followed. Now, from this graph, sometimes they may get find the point where the graph meets the x-axis. Find this coordinate. Okay, find the point where the graph meets y-axis. That is it. Understood or not? These all things. You have to, from the graph paper, this is mine is rough. So exactly you cannot, maybe it is 3.8, comma 0. That is graph paper you can find out now. And finally, one more thing, scale. 1 unit is equal to, if it is 1 centimeter means on both axes. Whatever, generally we take 1 centimeter. There are cases you have to. Clear all of you? No problem. Graph you can do. Open your book. Purna, since long time, book is opening, closing, book is opening. Exercise 3.1, Purna, you have taken? 3.1. Page number 36. I took long back. Page 36. Taken. Taken. Page 36. Read the first question, Purna.
What the graph is for x plus 5.
Okay, find out the solution for x plus 2y is equal to 5. Yeah, I need 3 solutions. All of you. Working, you do it in the graph paper itself. Right side of the graph paper, you can do it. Huh? Nice. Do it now. Next page you take. When you're doing the other side, you do the working. You write this. Okay. Find the points, all of you. No. Doesn't know? Doesn't know? Who made the table? Are you looking at the table this way? It will not work. That is why I said to listen. You did not listen. No? Who got the table made? Solution. What do you mean by solution? Find 3 solutions. Where? अरे और दे देना 25-30. Look, you, huh? You got 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You will not get a graph solution with without decimal. Are you getting without decimal, anyone? Without decimal getting means you made mistake. First you express 2y is equal to 5 minus 4x, or y is equal to 5 minus 4x by 2. This much you put. Huh? X, this is called expressing y in terms of x. Now put some value for x. X equal to 0. Y is equal to 5 minus 0 by 2. 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5. Are you followed or not? You will, this case, you will not get any integer solution. Can you able to not get? Okay. If you got means tell me. It's a mistake. Then put some more values. No decimals will come. No values without fraction. If you want to put x equal to another value, put little power of value. Let's say x equal to 2. Y is equal to 5 minus 8 divided by 2. How much? Minus 3 by 2. You know what is minus 3 by 2? Minus 1.5. If you want to put x equal to minus 1, y is equal to 5 plus 4 divided by 2. How much? 9 by 2. How much? 4.5. I did not see anyone. I thought at least 4, 5 will do the next. Now doing. Before me, who did? Then make the table. X, Y. X value 0. Y value 2.5. X value 2. Y value minus 1.5. X value minus 1. Y value 4.5. Some other solution also you must have got. Is it or not? The table made. Start drawing the graph. How many of you doesn't have the graph paper? Then 20 rupees each, I will make the graph chart. No. Take. Who else doesn't have the graph? graph, what happened? Not followed. He's looking at AC and sitting. All of you have a graph? Make the x-axis, y-axis until, yes, who is that? Graph. Hello, graph free is getting next class, always bring the graph paper, okay? Dia started scale and pencil. Oh, yeah, I will next only pencil. I will next time onwards I'll bring donate one pencil. Who can donate one pencil to this? Dia is begging for a pencil. See, Priyanshi given. Requesting and begging is something same. Yes, half of this one take. Take this one. This one you put the line over there and 1, 2, 3 take half. This is basically for ICSE people. This is 1 inch graph. Yes, what happened? Scale, pencil, see. Next class with you. Why you making half page you could have taken now? Yes. Huh? No. Different. Half pages is enough now. Plotting is done. X-axis, y-axis drawn. What has started? He raising itself. She started. What are you doing here? Check x values till 2 only. So 0, 1, 2, 3. That is enough. No problem. -1, -2, -2. Y value till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plot the point 0, 2.5. First plot the points 2, -1.5. Those who got the graph, please stand up. -1, 4.5. That means you made mistake. Check what is the mistake. Where? Show me. Oh, very good. DI is the first person. They write the scale also. Where is x and x and y? So origin, last. Where? 0 also put. Okay. Y, this is y dash. Scale also right. Where is the graph? Draw now after that. Line you drawn? No. Who else? Yes, show me, Sanmitra. Okay. Who's that? You check properly and your graph paper. What is this? See, 0, where is 0, 2.5? 0, 2.5 is on which axis? It is on y-axis. Mark it over there. Leave it and mark there first. Correcting you mark first. Don't know where is it. Correct. She is removing. Madam, remark. This is called. Then join it. Then let's see whether it is correct or wrong. Is it correct now? That's it. Done. I've seen only 2 people on graph. Stand up. Those are completed. It's not joining. Not joining means you made mistake. Who said it's not joining? This is what? -1, 4.5. 0, 2.5. This is what? 2, -1.5. X, Y, X dash, y dash origin scale 4x plus 2y equal to 5. Yes, who is not joining? Did you see the point? You get one from me, okay? Where is 0? Huh. Where is 0? Show me. Which is 0? Counting you forgot what? Now, so mark 0 there first. That was the problem, huh? Understood? Be careful. Graph comes and if you are making this mistake, got it. Scale also right. And equation, coordinate of the point mark. What is the coordinate? Where? Now what are you doing? Okay, next one. Are you right? What all things you have always half things are not there. One you complete and put. You see, I did not see x-axis. I did not see y-axis. What is a put arrow on both sides? Scale. 4-5 things are missing now. Yes. In graph mein? That also graph it will come, but you not mark. You are done. Then those who are shown me sit down. Those who are not shown stand up and show. When did he show? X, Y. Please draw. Yes. Atharva. Yes. Yes. Yeah, time over. One graph and roll the time. Why your graph is coming this way? There is some problem. Your graph will, it's not. Don't go and pick you and throw you out from here. Where is positive side? This is positive side or this positive side? This side is positive, na? You change everything. Right? You know which is your right? Right? That side is positive. Right and upper positive, left is negative. Okay, graph is completely wrong. 0 mark. In 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter on both axes. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter on both axes. That is your scale. All of you know there are mistakes lot of people made. Okay, you're done. Done. Yeah. Little more. Okay. Proper way do it. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Purna, what is it? Draw neatly. Okay. Sit down. Sit down. Done now. Now look here. Next class bringing the graph paper is compulsory. Practice. I'm not giving any homework as such. You have to do the for the practice for your test paper. Okay, chalo, bye. Bring a scale, pencil, eraser, graph paper. I think next class also it should be shown to me. Okay, chalo, bye bye. Okay, bye bye.